Today I'm going to be making jollof rice. I'm going to show you how I make my own jollof rice. But first I'm going to introduce you to my special guest here that has been disturbing me all through today. He doesn't allow me to make this video. So he's making a lot of mess, eating, drinking. So he's going to be joining me to cook today. This is my chef. Say hi, Rhodes. So anyway, I'm going to show you my ingredient for today. I've got my rice here, as you can see. I've got my rice. I've got my blended pepper. That's my blended pepper. I've got my all-purpose seasoning here, and this one too is the large red pepper. This is it. I've got my onions here. I have my stock here. Like I always tell you, I make my stock by myself. This is my stock. I've got my bay leaf here. This is my bay leaf. I have my Maggi and my tin tomatoes. This is it, my tin tomatoes. I have the one I already opened here before. I have my curry powder and my oil here as well. So I've got all my ingredients ready. I'm going to be showing you how I make my jollof rice. So stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, I'm gonna put my oil now. I'm not gonna put much oil. Then we'll add the tin tomato. You have to stir it until it cooks, or else it's going to have this sour taste that is not so good. So you have to continue stirring it. So it's dry now. It's cooked. You have to stir it until you see this oil floating on it. So now we are going to add the blended tomatoes and the large pepper. So we're going to leave it to cook now. Leave it to cook. Then for about 20 minutes. We allow it to cook for about 20 minutes then. So it's 20 minutes now. Let's see the progress of the sauce. Okay. I think it's ready. You can see. It's okay now. So we're going to add the stock now. This bowl is so heavy. I normally drain my stock after preparing it. I drain it to make the rice look clean, because I don't always like particles inside the rice, so I normally drain it. So now we are going to season it. I'm going to put about, this is my bay leaf, add the bay leaf, like 3 or say 4, because the rice is much. This is my nutmeg. I'm gonna add stir it. A little bit of nutmeg. Then we add the rice now. This is the rice already washed with warm water. I normally wash my rice with warm water. Pour the rice in there. Add some hot water. Let's check for the seasoning. I'm gonna add a little bit of Maggi. I'm going to add about 2 Maggi cubes. And cover it. So we're going to come back to check in another 15 minutes. So guys, it's time to check the rice now. Let's see how far it's cooked. Ooh, this is lovely. Oh, it's lovely. It's cooked already. Lovely. It's cooked already, so we're just going to cover it and allow it to just steam a little bit more, and it should be ready. It's cooked, just to allow it to steam, and we're ready to go. Do your stock by yourself. season it properly so that you get the real taste of what you really want. If you want to see your meat properly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This rice is really, really delicious. Follow me on my Instagram page as well. Right here, tasty. Let me taste the chicken. If you go to my YouTube channel, you see how to prepare roasted chicken. This chicken is the same chicken I use to make the stock of the rice. I boiled the chicken and I still roasted it. So you can boil your chicken and roast it and use the stock for your rice. What I do. So if you want to learn more, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in to stay with me today. Thank you for spending your time to watch my video. I wish you can come and join me. Really nice. So, thank you and bye bye.